Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So in this session, we'll discuss biology NEET course and we'll see frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions from 8th class level. So what is our next concept? Adolescence, puberty and sex determination. So what is meant by puberty and what is meant by adolescence? So after young age, when adolescence means when sexual organs will be produced, that is organs already there, then when it is functional, it will become functional, then that age is called puberty. So that age period is called adolescence. Which of the following feature comes under secondary sexual character in male? Hair of face, development of the sexual organs, hoarse voice, and all the above. So these all are will develop when secondary sexual characters in a male. So that is all the above. Then see the second one. Complete the flow chart. From male testes and sperm. Sperm will be produced from testes, and here female ovary. So what it will be there in order to sperm and ovum, we need to join and together form a zygote. So first option fertilized egg, second one ovum, fertilization, chromosome. So we know that is ovum. Next third one. Government of India decided legal age for marriage for girls and boys is. So first one 21 and 23. So 21 for girls and 23 for boys. 20 for girls and 22 for boys. 18 for girls and 21 for boys. 19 for girls and 23 to the boys. So that is legal age is, we know that is 3. 18 for girls and 21 for boys. The number of chromosomes in human cell. So number of chromosomes in the human cell. So number of chromosomes 46, 44, 23 pairs and both 1 and 3. So we know that is 23 pairs. 23 pairs means we will get 46, that is 1 and 3. So for that option is fourth one, both 1 and 3. Then fifth one, sugar diabetes is controlled by the hormone. So which hormone it is controlled? First one estrogen, testosterone, insulin and vasopressin. So we know that is 15th one is insulin. From insulin it is controlled. Next one, the period of maturity of reproductive organs is called. First one, adolescence period, menstruation, gestation period and none of this. So sixth one, we know that is the period of maturity of reproductive organs is adolescence period. So we know that is at the starting I told that maturity age of reproductive organs or sex organs is called adolescence period. Next one, seventh one, which of the following is not a endocrine gland? So seventh one, endocrine gland, not a endocrine gland. Thyroid, salivary, pituitary gland and adrenal gland. So thyroid gland and pituitary gland, adrenal gland are related to endocrine gland. Only salivary glands are not related to endocrine gland. Next eighth one, which of the following is the female sex hormone? So first one insulin, next testosterone and estrogen, adrenaline. So eighth one is what? Which of the following is the female sex hormone? So female sex hormone we know that is estrogen. For that third option. Next, AIDS can be spread from an infected person to another person through sharing food, no. Sharing comb, no. Blood transfusion and mosquito bite. So with the help of blood only it is transferred to one from person to another person when it is injected. When a sperm containing Y chromosome fertilizes an egg, the zygote develops into dash child. First one female, either male or female. Male, no child. So we know that is if it is there X chromosome from the males, sperm means sperm containing Y means we will get male. Sperm containing X means it will come it as female. And so this is the thing. Next one, 11th one, puberty age in female is puberty age, when secondary secondary sex hormones will become functional. First one 10 to 12 age, 12 to 14 age, 8 to 10 age, and 11 to 13 age. So we know that is 10 to 12 age. That is the one. Next one, stoppage of menstruation is termed as, first one, menstruation stoppage, menarche and menopause, menstruation and metamorphosis. So 12th one is menopause. We can call it as menopause. Next one, which endocrine gland is called as mixed gland? So which endocrine gland is called mixed gland? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, and pancreas. So 13th one, we can call it as pancreas endocrine gland is also called as mixed gland. Next one, chromosomes whose number and morphology do not differ between males and females of species are called. So do not different. So there is no difference of whose number morphology do not differ between males and female species are called. 14th one, that is allosomes, sex chromosomes, autosomes, and genes. So 14th one is autosomes. So which will do not differ. Next 15th one. In case there is no fertilization, the released egg, uterus walls, blood vessels shed off. This mechanism is called. So there is no fertilization, when released egg, uterus walls, blood vessels shed off. That is metamorphosis, menarche, and menopause, and menstruation. So 15th one we know that is menstruation. Next one, match the following. Testis, left side testis, endocrine gland, menarche, and female hormone. Right side, estrogen, pituitary, sperm, and first menstruation. So 16th one here. So testis will be produced sperms, and endocrine gland will be pituitary gland. Next third one, menarche, first stage is first menstruation, then hormone. So female hormone is called estrogen. So for that, second one. Next 17th one, which of the following statement is correct regarding sex determination? So mother X chromosome responsible for sex determination, father XY as allosomes responsible for sex determination, father has different allosomes, mother and father are responsible. So 17th one we know that is B and C. Father XY allosomes responsible for sex determination, father has different allosomes, that is second option. Then 18th one, acquired AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, accredited immunodeficiency system, acquired immune deficiency disease, acquired immunodeficiency system. So AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. That is, following statements are incorrect. First one, testis secretes testosterone and ovary secretes estrogen. Pituitary gland secretes controls the remaining endocrine glands. Pancreas secretes adrenaline to control stress. Testosterone is called female hormone and estrogen is called male hormone. So 19th one, A and B are incorrect. So that is first one, testis and pituitary gland, A and B. Next 28th one, statement 1, metamorphosis in frogs is controlled by thyroid gland. Exactly. Insect hormones helps in metamorphosis of the insects. So here A is correct, B is wrong, both A and B wrong, then both A and B are correct. So this is the way to learn the NEET course. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.